Why work till you're 65 when financial freedom awaits you now? Can be now, okay? Make your dreams come true now. And as you see right there, carolcashdaily.com, this is what this system, this blueprint does. It helps you to earn daily cash pay, all right? 100% profit. No monthly expenses. It's not MLM. It's not Bitcoin. It's not anything like this. This is legit. It's in the e-learning sector, which is in high demand right now, the e-learning sector that's of digital marketing. The e-learning sector is spending $1.2 billion a day. You don't think that you can get a piece of that? Okay? Don't work till you're 65, trading your time for money. Okay? This works. This can get you $900 paydays. Look at right here. Congratulations, Carol Rivet. $900 went right to my bank account from Stripe. Okay? Congratulations, you just made a new sale. Congratulations, you made a new sale. All right? Stripe has sent you $800. Square has sent you $281. All right? This is guys. And this is legit. As I've said before, you can earn $100, $300, $600, or $900. Okay? This is another $955 payment. Made new sales. There's another $100 one. There's another $900 one. Okay? This is legit. All right? As I said, it's in the e-learning sector. Now, what is it that you get and what is it that you have to do? Let me start first by saying what it is that you have to do. First thing you need to do is you need to be able to have Wi-Fi and a cell phone or a laptop. iPad works fine too. Okay, you need 2 hours a day. You need to be coachable and you need to plug into the blueprint. Okay, if you don't plug into the blueprint, if you're not coachable, this won't work for you. Okay, if you're coachable, you're willing to watch the trading and implement it and doing it. What does it include? It includes only putting 3 pieces of content up a day. It's a 2-hour workday. If you can do a 2-hour workday, you can be successful with this, okay? Here's some of the highlights of it. There's no monthly fees. You get high commissions. It's 100% profit. You earn, again, the best-selling product is the $900 product. It's not monthly. It's a one-time cost. You can break it down into easy payments if you need to. Okay? You got 900, 600, 300, and 100. And when you come in at the 900, you qualify to earn if anybody comes in at the lower levels with when they join you. Okay? And this teaches you e-learning. This teaches you marketing. And the best, if you can market, you learn this method, these methods that they teach, which are free methods with social media, posting content. If you learn this, you can market anything. Okay? You can market grandpa's t-shirts. Okay? You get 100% free access to the an automated machine that works 24/7 for you. You don't have to be techie with this, okay? It's pre-built. You just plug and play. It's like connect the dots. Okay, you get daily pay from this, from just posting 3 pieces of content. Okay, you don't need an email list, you don't need a following. Okay, and if you don't have that, it will most likely take you a little bit to get going to where you get billed. They're doing 90-day blitzes. Can you focus on 90-day of posting 3 pieces of content, doing 2-hour work every day for 90-day blitz? And then look at the type of thing. I've already made over $3,400. I think it's $3,500 now with this system. If I can do it, this 59-year-old grandma can do it. You can do it too, okay? Again, you get daily pay for only working a couple hours a day. Simple, easy, step-by-step to follow. This is a proven process. 28,000 people are in the community for support, for help. They have tech calls all the time if you need help with the tech. If you join me, you can talk to me, call me. I will help talk you through, the setup of things. But there's easy step-by-step videos, so the setup shouldn't be a problem. There's mentoring and coaching. This is legit mentoring and coaching that takes you step by step by the hand, how to be successful, how to create content, who's your target audience, where to advertise, okay, how much to advertise. It's rejection free because you post your content, you direct everybody to your automated system, and your automated system does the selling and telling for you. You saw my proof of pay. You saw what went directly to my bank account. Okay, as I said before, no tech skills required. You get access to a 6-figure blueprint, 6 figures in 6 months blueprint that people have used and are using. I'm in like a month and a half of it. We have over 20 people that have become 6-figure earners in 6 months with this. And that's not including the others that became 6-figure earners in 7 months and 8 months and 9 months. Stop living paycheck by paycheck. Stop working till you're 65. And then, trust me, I know what I'm talking about when it says 1 minute you're feeding your babies at the high chair, the next minute you're feeding your grandbabies at the high chair. It's that fast, okay? Okay? So again, 100% profits on a 2-hour workday. You have pre-built automations. It's automated to free your time up so you can spend time with your family. So low investment and no monthly expenses, okay? As far as the investment of $900, this that you have costs more than that. The TV in your living room costs more than that. Going out to dinner a few times a month costs more than that. Invest in yourself. Invest in your family. Invest in your retirement. People have no problem spending $100,000 on going to college, and then they come out and they don't even have a job. All they have is student loans. Invest in this. This is education. This is e-learning that gives you a skill. And then you don't even have to have a product of your own, but if you do, you can market anything once you learn this. Okay? So click the link below. I'd love to work with you. I'd love to talk to you. Okay? Enter your email. Watch the videos. It goes into more information. I am so excited for you. Okay. God bless and take care.